how to install Python on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or any PC for that matter. As you can see, I've just installed Python on my PC and it says setup was successful. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Python working on your PC. Let's jump right in. How to download Python on Windows 11. Now the first thing we need to go ahead and do is click on any browser that we have available. Now once our browser is loaded up, go ahead and click into your search bar. Hey, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe and bell button, and come to my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem. And type in Python and hit enter right away. Great. Now once here, go ahead and select the one that says welcome to python.org and make sure the URL is www.python.org because there could be so many fakes these days. Great. Now once on the home page, you want to go ahead and navigate to downloads and you're going to see that it says download for Windows. Now as of now, the latest version is 3.13.2, and so we're going to go ahead and click on this, which should automatically download Python 13.2. How to install Python on Windows 11. Now from here, you have to go ahead and double click on the thing that you just finished downloading, and then you want to go ahead and click on customize installation. But before you do that, go ahead and click on use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and also go ahead and click on the add python.exe to path as well. Now once done, go ahead and click on your customize installation, and then once you're here, you can go ahead and click on next, but make sure that the for all users is also activated. Make sure it's ticked fully. Now once you've ticked that, go ahead and click on next, and then once here, you need to pay attention again. Go ahead and click on install Python 3.13 for all users, and also click on the download debugging symbols. Now the pre-compiled standard library will be automatically checked once you check the first one, and so once you're done, if you know what you're doing, you can save it to another path, but I will leave it to the default path and I'll click on install right away. Now all we have to do is wait for this to finish installing. How to properly install Python on Windows 11. Now this is the verification step, so you can go ahead and close out of this. However, we need to go ahead and click on our Windows bar, and then we're going to go ahead and type in CMD. Now once you've typed this, go ahead and click on run as administrator right at the bottom here and wait for it to load. Now I'm going to drag this to the center and we're going to type a very basic code. Go ahead and type in Python space, bring 2 dashes, and then type in version to check the version. Now as you can see, it says Python 3.13.2, which means that it has actually been downloaded. Now go ahead and type in py so we can go ahead and test this in the frame. Now we're going to use something as basic as the print command to see how this works, and so I'm going to type in print. I'm going to bring my brackets, I'm going to bring my quotation, I'm going to bring hello, bring another quotation, bring the brackets, and test whether this works. So as you can see, it's now working and we verify that this fully works. How to use Python IDLE on Windows 11. Now this is far better than using the CMD because it has a much friendly interface, and so we're going to go ahead and click out of this, and then we're going back to our Windows tab. Now for most of you, you're going to see the IDLE Python right here with the newly installed stuff because it's newly installed, but you can go ahead and also type IDLE and then make sure that you see Python 3.13 and 64-bit with it. Now I had 3.10, I had 3.9 as well, that's why you see these. Ignore them and look for the one that has 3.13 and then click on that one. Great. Now once this loads up, you can go ahead and enlarge it just a little bit, but you can do exactly the same thing that you did in the previous one. You can go ahead and type in, let's say, print, and then we can go ahead and bring your brackets, bring a quotation, type in hello, bring another quotation, bring the brackets, hit enter, and then this should work just as much as it worked in the CMD control panel. How to save Python files on desktop or on Windows 11. Now once you're done with whatever you want to do in this project space, go ahead and click on file at the top left hand side, and then go ahead and click on save as. Now once you've clicked on save as, you can put this in your document, your downloads, anywhere you prefer, and go ahead and just type in the name of your file. I would say, let's say, YouTube video. And then sometimes you can put the .py, but as you can see, it says save as py already, and so just put the name that's going to put the .py at the end of it automatically and click on save right away. Now if I wanted to open this again, all I would have to do is go ahead and click on file, and then I'll have to go ahead and click on the open . Now once I've clicked on this, I can just go back to my document, and then maybe I can go ahead and type in Python, or maybe I named it YouTube, and so we're just going to go ahead and find YouTube video.py, and then we're going to go ahead and open this. Now as you can see, it brings us back to the same page. Great. Now if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe and bell button, and come to my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem. With that said, it's your boy GT7 Plays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.